Hey bike farmers, thanks for clicking in. Today's video is going to be a little different. Never done anything like this before. Never had the opportunity. This is a park tool appreciation video. This is the stand I learned how to fix bikes on in 1990 when I was 13 years old. This is a park tool stand. This is the exact clamp. It's missing its little rubber thingamajobbers here, which is actually okay. I have a couple pieces of leather and I use this when I'm doing some frame building. I can hold things and I like it for filing, and it kind of serves as an extra vise around the shop sometimes when I'm frame building. I have another one of this style that holds my frame building jig. This is the classic bike clamp. I use these clamps for decades and they last forever. This stand still has the old logo on it. This is a model PRS3, the deluxe single arm repair stand. After the success of my Why Are Bicycle Mechanics video, my now new friends at Park Tool reached out and said, hey, why don't you come up for a visit? We'll talk about supporting the channel somehow and that sort of thing, which was a natural fit because, as you can see, my wall's full of park tool anyway. I don't know how you could have a bike shop without having a wall full of park tools. One of the coolest things that I learned on my visit is that pretty much, I think it's something like 75 or 80% of all of the stuff is manufactured right here in the United States, but even more importantly, right here in the Midwest, or even just in the Twin Cities area. A lot of it is done locally. They're in St. Paul, Minnesota, and they send it out for plating or anodizing or that sort of thing, but they do all the machining and a lot of the welding right there in-house. It was a really, really cool place to visit. While I was there, I picked up some new wrenches, so we'll unbox those. I got a sign for my wall, which replaced the Bicycle Clinic sign that you've been seeing. The Bicycle Clinic is where I got my start, and this is the stand. We're taking this sign and we're gonna put it somewhere else, I don't know where. But I just wanted to talk about this stand, how important it is to me. This bike stand literally changed my life. Gibbs Bike Shop, which is the original bike shop in Lake Mills. I got the original sign right up here. When I reopened Gibbs Bike Shop, I reached out to the owners of the Bicycle Clinic and I said, hey, do you guys have any stands around? I got a bike shop now, I'm gonna need some pro stands. And they're like, yeah, we have, a few of them. If you want one, you can have one. And so that's when I picked this up. Yeah, I'm really grateful that I was able to grab it. I love it. I'll die with it. Never getting rid of this one. Well, let's take a closer look at some of my other park tools and go from there. This is my TS 2.2P truing stand. I always stick magnets to it. Those are all computer magnets. And then this magnet, a couple of stronger magnets. But that's where I keep my magnets. Another thing is, you can keep your park tool spoke ruler and just fits right there. Hey, look, I'm finding more magnets. Hard to beat a park tool truing stand. I have the bigger, more modern truing stand in the back shop, but this is the one I prefer to use for daily use. This is one of the newer modern clamps, and these are great. The jaws are a little bit skinnier this way, so you're not taking up as much real estate on a seat post when you clamp them. And then I really like this cam lock feature on them. So it's just open and closed, and it's kind of the best of both worlds. Yeah, I used this particular one for the first 3 seasons in the Bikemobile, and I mean, if I was looking for a repair stand today for at-home use or, as a hobbyist, definitely go with one of these. I think it's the best bang for your buck. Okay, let's do some unboxing here. So these are the THT1 T-handled Torx driver set. So it comes with a really nice way to hang them on the tool board. And these, I believe, are sliding T-handles. You can slide them. Oh, and it's keyed in the middle, so you got the middle. And then you gotta, oh, look at that. You don't know what you don't know. That is slick. Well, I've never had such a good set of Torx wrenches. Yeah, looking forward to it. Put them right up here somewhere. Let's look at the Allen keys. So 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. The basics. Oh, look at that bad boy. So it's got two different ends. I can't remember what they call this end, but it's like a super gripper. Then you got a normal gripper. And then you got an L shape or a T shape. And then this end as well. What more do you need? But that is a killer Allen wrench. Park Tool THH10. So the way I have been doing it, you know, I've been doing it like this. You've got the T handle, essentially, and then just a regular Allen key. But this, you've got the T handle, like that, and a regular Allen key. And this can be adjusted to whatever you need. So, I mean, I don't know why I wouldn't just have these on the bench. You know, everything can be done with these. Where have you been all my life? 5mm sliding T-handle, fancy Park Tool wrench. This makes me want to fix a bike today. Love it. So we're getting rid of these for the most part. And these. So that frees up all of that space there. All right, all that can move. Okay, let's pull some nails. I use my Torx wrenches less, so I want those over here. How do we like that? That's gonna be good. Got this first one sort of marked there. That's good enough for who it's for. Do it the old school way. Look at that. Bam! Ain't going nowhere. I mean, that's pretty good there, right? Right in the middle, showcase them. Yeah, let's showcase these right in the middle. I'm gonna make a mark. Pretty good. What a nice addition. Well, now I got new wrenches. I suppose I better fix a bike for you. So thanks again for tuning in. If you like this content and want to support the channel, you know to click on everything. But don't forget the notification bell so you and your bike can stay tuned.